What's going on, Lincoln Heights? We're the Hackworth family.
And we're going to vote in unity and love.
For the past 18 months, we have been in the process of seeking a pastor. We've now come down to the final stages of where we have made a selection, and we need to confirm that on May the 8th. I'm here to encourage you today, each and every one of you. God has moved. Let us move together in love and in unity and in fellowship to do what God has already ordained for us at Lincoln Heights Missionary Baptist Church, to bring out a new pastor so we might be able to move forward to do all the great things that God had planned for us. We're in a season of change, and change is always good when we're doing the things that matter most to God. To God be the glory for all that He has done in our life.
I'm Bruce.
And I'm Ruth.
We're the stewards.
And we're voting in unity
And in love.
for our next pastor of Lincoln Heights Baptist Church on May 8th.